Hey y'all, it's Crystal here. We're in my 2008 Scion TC. It's been misfiring, so we're gonna figure out what's going on. I'm gonna try to show you too. See if you can hear it. It's running really rough. I don't know if you can tell anyhow. So we're going to switch it to the on position. I've got my diagnostic here, so let's go ahead. We're going to read DTC, wait for it to link up. Yep, cylinder 2 misfire. So what we're going to do now is open it up and see if it's the spark plug or the coil pack. So stay tuned. First, we're going to take, I don't need this long of a ratchet to get in here, but we're going to take this off. So this is 10 millimeters to get this bad boy off. Alright, now what we're going to do, it was saying, so these are 1, 2, 3, 4, so it was saying that I'm having a cylinder 2 misfire. So what I'm going to do to check this is to swap these out and see if I get the same reading, and that'll help me differentiate if it's the coil pack or the spark plug. So now I'm going to switch out to, actually, yeah. Probably just going to go ahead and replace the spark plugs anyways, just to be on the safe side. You should get them changed out anyways every so often. I have a feeling mine's been in there for a while. Alright, so what we're going to do is just carefully, oh, that's alright, lift that bad boy out. We're going to have to switch them anyways, so it doesn't matter. Usually you have to be careful so they don't break, but so we were putting 2 to 3 and 3 to 2. We're going to plug them back in. Alright, so I don't need to bolt them down, they'll be fine. So now we're going to go back in here and see if I'm still reading the same thing. So let's go home. Alright y'all, we're back in the car. So y'all saw me switch out the coil pack 2 with coil pack 3, and now we're back in the car. We cleared the codes, and now we're getting cylinder 3 is misfiring. So that's great news. That just means I just have to replace the coil pack. Inexpensive issue, super easy to do, and I'm just going to go ahead and replace all the spark plugs too, just for good measure. So stick around and you'll see me replace everything. Okay, so we're back with the parts now. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my coil packs. These are all the good ones. I'm putting it here because I've got some oil built up. So let's take these spark plugs out. So you'll need a 16 millimeter socket. Pull these guys out. And then just take a magnet. We've got a bit of oil built up in here, so we're going to hope it, drains down that cylinder. Alright, so that's nice that my spark plugs are conveniently sticking to it. So, but it's nice to have a magnet with you, so so that you could just plop the magnet in there if you needed to. We're taking our last spark plug out. So now we've got oil where it shouldn't be. But I already replaced the valve cover gasket, so I think it's just residual from when we didn't clean this out properly. That's all right. It's just gonna drain through the cylinder. All right, so now I'm gonna take my new spark plugs. So these ones are neat because they're coated, so you don't have to put anti-seize on them, supposedly. Anyways, when you're putting the spark plugs in, you want to be careful, and you don't just want to drop it in there because you don't want to crush this little area here. You just kind of want to gently guide it in there until you feel it go in, and then it's in. Switch your ratchet. So let's go ahead and put the rest of these in. Now we've got our spark plugs in, time to put our coils back. This is my new one, this is where we failed, so I'm gonna put my new one in there first. And then this one goes here. My clips are broke, but it's fine, they'll stay in place. This is number 3. I could have bought a new harness, but figured I'd just save money. Alright, so let's get our bolts back. There we go. Alright y'all, we're back in the car. Plugged my reader back in, we've cleared the codes. We're not idling rough. We're running good. So let's see. Read DTCs. And we're golden. Look at that. My car's fixed. No more misfire. Thanks for watching, y'all. Comment, like, follow, whatever. Talk soon.